In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find purchase events in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to surface a clear view of purchases right inside your report snapshot. This is perfect if you want a quick, at-a-glance confirmation that your purchase tracking is working and how it's trending. First, head to analytics.google.com. This is where all your Google Analytics 4 properties live. When the interface loads, you'll see a navigation menu on the left. That's where we'll spend most of our time today. Next, click Reports in the left-hand menu. Reports is your hub for standard GA4 reporting and is designed for everyday monitoring. If you don't see it right away, expand the menu and it will appear with a small chart icon. Now, click Reports Snapshot. The snapshot is a customizable overview that pulls in multiple cards to summarize key metrics. Think of it as your dashboard for quick insights. Adding a dedicated purchase card here gives you immediate visibility without drilling into deeper reports. In the top right of the report snapshot, click the Customize Report icon. It looks like a small pencil or edit tool. This opens the customization panel where you can choose which cards are shown and in what order. Only users with the right permissions can customize, so if you can't click it, you may need editor access. With the customization panel open, scroll down through the list of available and active cards. You'll see sections for engagement, acquisition, and monetization, among others. Scrolling helps you understand what's already featured and where your new card will fit. Next, click Add Cards to this report. This opens the library of cards you can insert. It's a searchable catalog that includes standard GA4 visualizations tied to common events and dimensions. In the search bar, type Purchase Event. This filters the library to cards directly related to the purchase event, which is the standard GA4 event fired when a transaction is completed. If your site or app is correctly sending purchase events, these cards will populate with data once added. Finally, select the purchase-related card that best fits your needs, then click Add Card. You'll typically see a preview appear on the right, showing how the card will look in your snapshot. Positioning and exact layout can vary, but the key is that your purchase event card will now be part of your report snapshot for quick monitoring. That's it. You've added purchase visibility right where you need it, making it faster to confirm tracking and spot trends at a glance. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this flow anytime you want to refine what shows on your snapshot.